makeup tutorial. Today I'm going to be doing this look that I have on here. I'm sorry if I'm sweating. I had to turn off my AC because my vent is really close to my camera and it makes a lot of noise, so I didn't want that to kind of be like an issue or anything. But yeah, so like I said, this is the look that we're going to be doing today. It's a super easy glam look that you can use for back to school or anything. Honestly, this is just like your effortless glam makeup. How about that? But yeah, if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, then just keep on watching. To start off, you guys know that my favorite go-to concealer is the Pro Concealer from LA Girl in the color Natural. This is literally my favorite concealer. I have used this as a base for so long. It's unreal, but this is literally the best, and it's not that expensive either. So I definitely do recommend for you guys to try this out if you haven't. They have several shades, really dark shades, and then they have some really light ones as well. They have color correctors. Definitely recommend you guys invest in a little tube. And they last a really long time, so that's also good. I really like them. But anyway, back to what I was saying. We're just going to use this as our base, and I'm going to blend it out with a sponge, as you guys know. And we're just gonna apply that on the lid. To set the eyelid, I am going to be using a little nude color from the James Charles palette. It's this one right here on the corner. And I'm just going to apply that all over the lid. Okay, so for my transition color, I am going to be using this pink color in the James Charles palette. It's this one. Oh. It's this one right here, and I'm going to use that as, and I'm going to use that as my transition color, and I am going to try to keep it in like a circular type of, like more, I'm not going to like swing it out, it's going to be more kept into like what's like a circle, I guess you could say. I'm just going to kind of like oval it out. I don't know how to explain it, but just gonna pack it on and then circle it up here. Refuse to be forgotten. I'm more than just an option. Refuse to be forgotten. Okay, so now that I have the color intensity that I want, I'm going to go into the next shade, which is this pinkish purple color. I don't know what kind of color this is, but this one right here, it's also in the James Charles palette. Literally all the colors that I'm going to use are in this palette, so that's super good if you guys own the palette. If not, these shades are pretty easy to get. They're very common. I try to stick to common colors just because I know a lot of you may not have this palette or might have other similar palettes that have the same colors, but you know. Anyway, so I'm just going to pack that in the corner like so, and just keep it there basically, and push it up on in the crease, and just keep doing that until you get the intensity you want. Okay, so we're almost done. We just need one shade left, and this is going to be the same color that we used at the very beginning, this little nude color right there, and we're going to use that. I use a little flat kind of fluffy brush, and I just grab a little bit and I push it on right on there. And it doesn't have to be any like thing precise or anything like that. I don't like to do eyeliner for this, like a full eyeliner. I just like to do kind of like the line where my eyelash is going to go. So for that, I do use the NYX Professional Makeup Matte Liquid, I was about to say liquid lipstick, the matte liquid liner. And I just do a little line on from the very beginning all the way to the end, and I don't wing it or anything like that. It's just a line. Okay, so now that I have my eyes done, my eyelashes on, my eyeliner on, everything's good to go, we're going to move on to our face, and I am going to be using my Master Prime Face Studio Maybelline Primer, and this is for Blur and Pore Minimizer. I've used their moisturized one. It's really good too. But yeah, we're just gonna apply some, and then we're just gonna rub it in.
I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your heart.
So we're gonna move on to our foundation, and for my foundation, I am using, this is like a new fave, I guess you can say. I'm using my Makeup Revolution foundation stick, and I am using shade F12, and it's really creamy and awesome. And then I'm also going to be mixing it in with my L'Oreal True Match foundation in color, where's the color? Suntan W5.5. This is actually one of their newer shades. I used to like use L'Oreal's True Match foundation all the time when I was younger, and it was freaking bomb. And I forgot why I stopped using it. I think it was because it made me a little bit oily, but I'm definitely using this again, and I am mixing them together, and they work fantastic. Let me just say that much.
I'm more than just an option. Refuse to be forgotten. I'm more than just an option. Refuse to be forgotten.
Moving on to our concealer, I am going to be using my all-time favorite Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in color medium, and I'm also going to be mixing it in with the Instant Age Rewind, an all-time favorite as well from Maybelline. I am going to contour just a little bit, just to kind of bronze up my face. Some right here. And also to help me define more my cheekbones now that I am getting a little chunkier and crap. So, yeah.
Oh, baby.
Yeah, put the egg.
I wanna love you, babe. I think I love you, babe. Oh, baby.
Ashanti. Chapter 2. Let's rock.
with me always. Can you take
For baking, I'm going to use the banana powder from Makeup Revolution. I don't have the bottle, as I've explained before. I poured into the Laura Mercier because the bottle for the banana powder from Makeup Revolution, you have to put it on something. It's just like a shake, and I don't really like that. So I put it in here so that it can hold it for me. And then I'm also going to set the rest of my face with the Maybelline Fit Me powder in medium deep. It's color 30. Okay, so now I am going to bronze my face, and I'm going to be using the Hoola from Benefit bronzer. For my blush, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Color Icon Mellow Wine Blush. This is my oldie favorite as well. I think this video should be an oldie video. For highlight, I am going to be using my Mayan Gold highlighter in the color Starlight. Yeah, Starlight, and it's this one. It's like a rosy gold color. It's really pretty, and I've talked about it, and I've used it before on my channel, but that's what I'm going to go in today.
Singing as we dance in the night. Remember how the stars know the night away.
For lips, I'm using my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Room, and I'm going to be topping that off with a clear, used to be clear, lip gloss, and this is from Sephora. Okay guys, so this is the final look. This is my go-to kind of glam makeup because it's super easy and it still looks like, you know, I've put some effort and it looks like I've just really tried. Also, this is really great for people who don't know how to do cut creases or have trouble and just want something to just kind of slap on. This is perfect for that, and this works with several different colors. It doesn't necessarily have to be like this pink kind of color that I have. It works with anything. I've done it with like warmer like brownish tones, which works perfectly fine as well, and it looks great as well. But yeah guys, so this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!